Dive into this captivating video on MEDDPICC Sales Methodology and explore our comprehensive PowerPoint deck to master the 8 techniques that will empower you to successfully close any deal, regardless of its difficulty. Get this PPT deck to master MEDDPICC sales technique. Get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. Commencing with its metrics, it presents product benefits in concise bullet points, making it easier for you to share and impress prospective. You will explore the economic buyer, which serves as your guide in effectively engaging and winning over the buyer with the final authority on closing a deal. Continuing with the decision criteria, have a valuable insights into understanding your prospect's mindset and what factors they prioritize when making decisions. The second D stands for the decision process. This component will guide you in gathering pertinent information necessary for closing sales deals. Unlock the power of MEDDPICC for your sales team with our comprehensive PowerPoint guide. Click the link below to download and start transforming your sales processes today. P denotes paper process. It helps you in dealing with the dreaded paperwork and helps you make informed predictions to impress the client. The I is to identify pain. It helps you recognize the problems your client is facing and reach a satisfactory solution to resolve the customer's needs in relation to the pain point. The first C is champion. This is the end user you trust with your solution, who can help represent and defend you in the face of challenges. Once you understand what your competitors are offering, you can enhance your services and strategically price them to provide greater value to your target audience. Visit www.slideteam.net to find many more such PPT decks.